Present perfect tense. The present perfect in English is the tense that contains two components, the present time and the perfect aspect. The present time describes everything that is now, or any time that includes now. The perfect aspect expresses the completeness of the action, or state. It shows that something has been completed, finished. We use the present perfect to refer to events in the past, but which connect to the present. The present perfect is used to indicate a link between the present and the past. The time of the action is before now, but not specified, and we are often more interested in the result than in the action itself. The present perfect of any verb is composed of two elements. The helping verb to have, in the present tense and corresponding form, plus the past participle of the main verb. The past participle is formed by adding ed to the base verb. But some verbs are irregular in the past participle. As a rule, helping verbs help to ask questions or make negatives. So, in the present perfect tense, for the question, we just move the helping verb, to have, before the subject. For the negative, we just add not after the helping verb, to have. The present perfect tense is used to describe unspecified time in the past, an action in the past, when the precise time of the action is not important or not known, and the result of this action is more important. A repeated action in an unspecified period between the past and now. Past events with present results. We use the present perfect to talk about actions which happened at an unstated time in the past, and its results are visible in the present. Started in the past, continues in the present. We use the present perfect to talk about an action or situation that started in the past and continues in the present. An action performed during a period that has not yet finished. Recent completed events. We use the present perfect to talk about an action that was completed in the very recent past, expressed by just. Time indicators help to determine the tense in a sentence. For the present perfect tense, following time indicators are typical. For plus a period of time, since plus a point of time, yet, already, ever, never, just, this week, month, etc. Word order. In the present perfect tense, usually placed at the end of the sentence. For plus a period of time. Since plus a point of time. Yet, this week, month, etc. Always placed before the main verb, past participle. Ever and never, just. Already can be placed before the main verb, past participle, or at the end of the sentence.